Congratulations! You're now a Copilot Power user. You've completed the Great Copilot Journey. What an achievement! You've now used Microsoft 365 Copilot in many ways and learned how to leverage Copilot to save time, kickstart your work, expand your expertise, enhance your team's collaboration, leverage agents, and find resources and inspiration on your own. Let's celebrate that achievement. You can download your Great Copilot Journey completion badge and share it with your team and network. It's time to embark on your next adventure with Copilot. Keep up your great work and keep practicing your prompts. We hope that you've enjoyed the training experience. To revisit any of the Great Copilot Journey, visit aka.ms/Great Copilot Journey.